Let's make hash brown. This is a classic American diner side dish. Typically consists of grated or finely chopped potatoes. The ingredients are simple, so it's all about the technology. Start by peeling and shaving the potatoes. I'm using this gadget that can shave potato strands to IMM thickness. Don't worry about your fingers getting scratched. Next, we rinse the starch away until the water becomes clear. The next step is crucial. We need these potatoes to be dry. Grab some kitchen towels or paper towels and really soak up all the water. Heat up a small non-stick pan on medium-low flame. Melt some butter and spread the potatoes evenly over. Cook for 3 minutes. Then add another 20 g of thinly sliced butter on top. Let the creamy goodness melt into the potatoes. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown on the bottom. Now slip the uncooked side back on the pan. Season evenly with salt. Yes, it's a lot of butter. That's why it is delicious. Once done, slide it onto a chopping board.